Hi everyone. Today we are going to understand the basic meaning of team building, and further we are also going to discuss its objectives and various types of teams in detail. Now let us first understand the basic meaning of a team. See, it resembles a group of people who have a common objective, and people work collectively to achieve the same goal. Since every member knows that they have a common goal, every member is actively involved in supporting each other through their knowledge and work experience, right? To achieve that goal and get rewarded for it. So, team is basically a collection of people who are having a same objective. Let's say we have a sales team, okay, whose target is to achieve, let's say, 5 lakhs units, okay, of sales. So here they have to do it unanimously. They have to do it in a team. They have a common goal. So that is a team, right? Now people often get confused between what is the difference between team and a group. See, group is also a group of people, okay, but they do not share common objectives, okay. They do not have a target of 5 lakh units of sales. They do not have that target. Every individual is having their own accountability, okay. Groups can be found where people, although are working in the same department, but have different responsibilities and thereby different goals. For example, people working in finance department in various roles like finance analyst, okay, financial manager. So they all are, although in a group because they are in the same department, but they have different roles and responsibilities and also different goals, right? Now, what is team building? See, we all know that people in a team have to achieve a common goal, but their efficiency can be reduced if they are not working unanimously. So it is very important, it is predominantly required that they are motivated to work, okay, to work and support each other, to work collaboratively, basically coordinating with each other. So it refers to the process of following a set of activities in order to motivate the employees or team members to augment the performance of the entire team, right? Sometimes it so happens that although people are working in a same team, as I said, but do not work, okay, unanimously, so it becomes very important to bring them all together to achieve that goal. The basic aim is to increase the efficiency of the team and thereby the entire organization, so that the organization image augments and thereby the market's share also, okay. So team building, remember, is basically a process of bringing all the people together, motivating them so that they can achieve the goal and win, or basically they can achieve or earn accolades for the same. Now, objectives of team building. So it's very simple. Increase unity among the team members, okay. So we have often heard that unity is the best policy. United we stand, divided we fall. So this is the reality of life. If we are together, okay, we can achieve milestones. So it is very important that members understand the importance of teamwork. If the team works in a unanimous manner, then there are less chances of disputes and arguments, okay, because they are working in a collaborative manner, coordinating with each other to improve the personality of each individual, and thereby high motivational levels are achieved, okay. We all know that personality is a very important concept or component of our life, and we have to improve it, and we can improve it when we are working in a team, supporting each other, okay, coordinating with each other all the time. Now, when every member of the team is supportive to each other and gives best efforts, then automatically the organizational performance increases, augments, and employees are given more benefits like incentives and bonuses, which motivates them even further. Okay, now what are the different types of teams? See, the first one is virtual team. The team members do not share a common physical place. Okay, they are operating from various places, but they collaborate through technology, right? It is through technology that they are there with each other, that is, they are working collaborating with each other from various places. Okay, so they are known as virtual team, which is not in a similar place or same place, but still working as a team. That is, their goal is common, to achieve certain target, so achieve certain objective. Operational team, they are formed to ensure that the office processes run smoothly. Okay, they basically support other teams, for example repairs and maintenance team. So many of you might be working somewhere, so you all have observed that whenever there is a lapse in the system or some kind of software problem, then the repairs, okay, IT team basically comes into the picture and they resolve the issue, right? So this is basically operational team. Now project team, here the people are from different departments, but the project manager assigns them a same project and hence they become a team. Okay, so the point over here is that the people can be from different department, but a project manager assigns them a same project and they become a team thereby. So further in this, there are 4 subtypes of project team. First is the matrix team. Okay, second is the contract team, third is functional team, and fourth is cross-functional team. Now let us understand them in detail. So first one is matrix team. Here what happens is basically 2 bosses are assigned to a person, okay, rather team. Each team member reports to a common boss for the current project, but each member also reports to their original bosses for their original work. Okay, so basically in this 2 bosses are assigned to a person for project. Okay, the project they are supposed to perform, there is a project manager, okay, and a normal or the original boss for the actual department in which they are working, the actual role in which they are working. Now the other one is contract team. They are basically outsourced team through or brought through to compensate a project on a temporary basis. Okay, that is for a stipulated period of time. So they are basically bought for a fixed period of time and they have to do that project or complete that project. Okay, now the functional teams, they include the members of the same department with different responsibilities. For example, people of marketing team. Okay, so here the point to remember is that the people are from the same department, but they have different responsibilities in their department. Okay, now cross-functional teams, as the name says, these include the people from various departments. Okay, it is because of their expertise that is required, they are brought together for the project, for completing the project, that they are kept in the same team, right? So now let us practice some important questions. Under which type of team the smooth functioning of the organizational processes is ensured? Functional team, self-managed team, operational team, none of the above. So it is asking under which team the smooth functioning of the organizational processes is ensured. So smooth functioning is basically involved in case of operational team, because when there is some kind of lapse in the system or any issue occurs, then operational team basically repairs the same and make it functional. So the correct answer is operational team, that is option C for this. Now team is a collection of people with individual goals, people with common goals, people of various culture, none of the above. So we all know that team has a common goal, common objective to achieve. So the correct answer for this would be people with common goals, right? So what did we understand today? We talked about the basic meaning of team, and we further understood the difference between team and group, and talked about the various types of teams like virtual teams, operational teams, project teams. Okay, so this was all for today. Thank you so much for your time.